it is.
I don't know what it is either. But it's loud, right?
It's pretty loud, yeah. But
that's not
like it sounds like there's a construction going in far somewhere, but that's the sound that it sounds like. But
it's not, because construction doesn't
I don't
sound
know.
like
I'm watching the birds and everything, and there's no, like, they don't act strange at all, man. And they would.
Not necessarily.
If the earth would be, if the ground would be moving, or if
the ground's not moving. It's not the ground.
I don't know.
It's air.
Animals, they always react to this stuff.
What is that? Oh my god.
It sounds like some pipes and shit. I'm telling you.
Well, metal and stuff, I know a lot of people have said it sounds like that. Or booming, right? This is more like wind and clanging metal, and there's videotapes like that. If something comes out of the sky, I'm running to the basement. Sounds like it kind of comes from over there, right? Isn't it?
You hear it from here better than the other.
Better from the front of the house. But where does it look like, does it sound like it's coming from over there?
That direction somewhere.
Somewhere, right? So it's directional. We'll find out they were putting a display together at like Home Center or something, right?
That's